change your food, change your life. Hey guys, Tim here, coming at you with a hack video on how to cook your food. But I'm actually staying at a hotel here, and I'm in the nice pool area, as you can see. And I'm actually gonna be cooking up. Yeah. And just the blueness of this water down here is crazy. Is it cold? Yeah. Man. It's like, shut up, heck up.
Yeah, we found it here.
Come on, Blue.
It's a good little walk.
Come on. I brought my grill and I brought some meat and everything. So I'm actually gonna be cooking up my meal here right by the poolside. And it's a nice little hack because obviously I can't cook in the room because it's gonna smell up the room. There's no ventilation. So I'm out here. I could also find like another spot around here and just walk to something if I need to. This is obviously right by my room, so it's super convenient. But if this doesn't work out and I get in trouble or they say, hey, you can't do this, then yeah, I'd probably walk to a nearby spot around here and then cook my food here. So just a little hack if you're looking to, be able to cook some food even in a motel type situation. Got my burgers cooking as usual, kind of trying to like stay a little bit hidden. Hopefully no one really sees what's going on here. So I also bought a plate so I could just eat on the plate. So I'm keeping my meal pretty low key, not adding the eggs and stuff just because I'm trying to cook as fast as I can and kind of get out of here quick so that way no one bothers me.
Oh, getting a video in?
Oh yeah.
Hold up, everybody. Let's go. I'm behind the prison bars.
Oh, it's burned. Burn. But luckily for lacrosse repping, I'm gonna be shirted, so I won't have to worry about that too much. I'll more so have to worry about my legs probably getting burned, so I'll probably put some sunscreen on there. But otherwise, guys, looking good. Next level health. Let's go, baby. Love it. What's up, guys? Day 2 of making my food at a motel. My room is behind me. Again, I'm in the pool area. I'm actually all by myself this time. Sweet. And no one has said anything, so I'm gonna go ahead and make my food as usual and save myself some money and still be able to eat healthy even when traveling. Only downside is this really bright. I should have brought a hat actually. This is actually pretty bright sunlight here, but it is what it is. I won't be here long. I usually cook pretty fast, so here we go. And of course, guys, we got some honey to put on that, as well as some nutritional yeast, which adds a little flavor and a lot of extra B vitamins, as you can tell. Lots of B vitamins, so. All right, guys, day 3 of cooking my own food at a motel. And first 2 days have gone swimmingly. And I'm here on day 3. I actually moved my table over here into the shade so I could be shaded. And yeah, I've got my grass-fed, grass-finished ground beef ready for me. I'm gonna break it up, get it cooking, and yeah, so I've been having this every day pretty much. I've been still eating other food, but this is kind of like my foundation. My foundation is getting in the raw honey, getting in the grass-fed ground beef. It's like 1,200 calories. It's almost 100 grams of protein, and I need that as my solid base foundation. I know every day I'm getting 100 grams of protein minimum. Raw honey is amazing for insulin, to increase your insulin sensitivity, which is incredible for helping you with like not getting diabetes and keeping your blood sugar sustainable, right? You want something that keeps your cells insulin sensitive. A lot of things we eat create insulin resistance, which creates diabetes in the long run. So that's why I love honey. I've had honey every single day. There's also some great ingredients in the seasonings that I use. Like cayenne pepper is something amazing to have every day. Of course, salt. Of course, garlic, onion, right? Those are, and I want those every day. Those are natural antibiotics for the body, so I want those every day. So I use seasonings that have those. So I'm getting in those ingredients every single day. So. So you guys, obviously you're not going to be able to cook in your motel room most likely, unless you have a motel where there's maybe like you have a balcony where you can cook outside or you have good ventilation. Most motels are not going to have great ventilation. They're going to be, so you're going to have to either A, this, I'm obviously in the pool area, if they have one, or B, you might have to walk a little bit to a local park or just some area where, and like I wasn't able to bring too much stuff, but if you might have more room in your car, you can literally bring your own freaking TV tray, and you can literally do what I do a lot, and just whip out the TV tray and cook on that. And you could literally cook. I mean, I don't know if you can necessarily cook like outside your hotel room, like you might get busted, but you could drive your car, park somewhere, and cook wherever you want, honestly. So just because you're staying in a motel does not mean you are subject to not being able to cook any food at all, and this is a testament to that fact.